Hello everyone, welcome back to my channels. Proud to be a Filipina. Today, I'm doing a simple question and answer so you can get to know me better. Let's start it! Question number 1. What is your name? Hi, my name is Joy. Question number 2. How old are you? I am 23 years old. Question number 3. Where do you from? I'm from Philippines. Question number 4. What do you do? I am content creator on YouTube. Question number 5. What is your favorite Filipino food? My favorite food is tinolang isda. Question number 6. What kinds of videos do you make? I make cooking, cleaning, daily life and lifestyles videos. Question number 7. What is your dream? My dream is to grow my YouTube channel and become successful content creator. Question number 8. What are your hobbies? I enjoy I enjoy cooking, cleaning, making videos and spending time to my family and especially to my daughter. Question number 9. Why do you start YouTube? I started YouTube because I want to share my daily life in the Philippines and connect with people around the world. Question number 10. What do you want people to know about you? I am a simple person who loves sharing everyday lives. Thank you so much supporting my channel.